So I just want to show you guys real quick. I want to show you guys, yeah, this is my Cameo Plus, baby. Ooh, that's the Cameo Plus. See, straight from
hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I
Are you all ready for this?
There till I feel like I'm winning all. And this is
welcome to the Flex McKenzie channel. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's your boy Flex McKenzie. Bow, bow. Yeah. And today's video, I'm gonna be using Econotransfer white vinyl. I'm telling you guys, Econotransfer, fast shipping, fast customer service, great product. You won't have any problem with their product. And if you do have a problem, you reach out to them, social media, email, whatever, they'll get back to you immediately. So go hit up Econotransfer vinyl. Guys, if you're gonna go there and place an order, I got a 10% coupon for you with my name on it. Just for you guys. Alright, Flex McKenzie. Use that coupon code at checkout and you get 10% off all your order. 10%. Who wouldn't want that? So go hit up Econotransfer vinyl and don't forget, tell the coupon Flex McKenzie sent you and you get that 10% off. Now let's roll into the video. Okay, so these are what I'm gonna make today using the Econotransfer. I'm gonna do a red shirt, but this red I'm gonna put black on it. This one I'm gonna put white vinyl. These are headbands, and this is gonna be white, and this is a dog hoodie. So these two are going to the same customer, same customer, same customer, same. When I mean same, this is going to one customer, you know. This is their order. This is another customer. This is another customer. And this is another customer. This is a dog. Did I say hoodie? This is a dog t-shirt in here. So right now I'm waiting for some Econotransfer vinyl to delivered by USPS. I'm hoping it will get here soon, but I have some, so I'm gonna start cutting right now using my Cami. Catch you in a minute. Always save your scraps because you never know when they're gonna come in handy. I use the tape on it because my mat is not too sticky, so I have to use tape. No? Okay. All I do is just take it off. I mean, I do have another mat, but for some reason I like this old mat. I feel like it's not too sticky. Well, it's not really sticky at all. So I think it's better. But eventually I gotta throw this mat out. I know I threw it out and then I went back for it. Isn't that crazy?
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me naked, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Okay, real quick, I don't understand. I have a new cutter, right? Not a cutter, a mat. For some reason, it did not cut the H and the B out. But good thing that's an easy fix, huh? So let's go fix it right now.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Alright, so this is gonna be my fix for it. And that's the way your boy fixed his mistake. There we go. I think I see what was the problem. This should have moved over a little bit more. Okay, so that was my fault. So I just received this package from Econotransfer because I ordered some white vinyl. Listen, they ship really fast. Sometimes same day. I got this within 2 days. 2 days, and it was pretty cheap. Okay, so I just want to show you guys real quick. I want to show you guys. Yeah, this is my Cameo Plus, baby. Ooh, that's the Cameo Plus. See, straight from Econotransfer. If you're gonna go there, check them out. Use my link down below. Let me open this bad boy. I believe this is 10 yard, and also I got a sample of their glow in the dark. I'm gonna be doing an upcoming video of this. This is their glow in the dark, baby. Ooh, I can't wait to test it. Look at that. Joking, not yet. Okay, so I gotta finish making these shirts. Let's get to work. And don't forget, hit up Econotransfer, and don't forget again, you can save 10% off when on your entire order when you use Flex McKenzie. Did I miss something? I like this. I may not be perfect, but Jesus thinks I am to die for. This is pretty cute. Alright, let's get pressing.
Do a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit.